this vehicle that just went by blowing an air horn. His last name is Ellis, E-L-L-I-S. Lives on A-L-I-W-A-N-N-A Lane. I called the Lee County Sheriff's Department and reported him. His tag number is IIB3H. Now we gave them the number and they're looking for him now.